Okay, welcome to week one. I wanted to kind of show you what is due for the week. This is the home page, and this is where the weekly assignments will be posted. I'll also send out a weekly announcement, and it will have this and a little bit more information. So for week one, which is due by midnight Sunday, January 21st, you need to complete the orientation quiz, complete the orientation module survey, read the course homepage, which is this page. And if you look at the course homepage, it has a welcome message, my name, my contact information. This is my Google Voice number. You can text me on this number and I can get back to you very quickly, or you can email me, whichever one you prefer. I do not mind if you text. It's actually easy for me to respond if you text. And then it explains how the course works. And then, of course, your weekly assignments. Also complete my lab access code quiz and complete the reflections discussion. And then if you will click down here, click on get started, it will actually take you to the online orientation module. And what you need to do is go through the whole orientation module. And then at the end, this module is very important. It has a lot of good information in there. So make sure that you look at it. And you get to download Office 365 to your computer for free. So make sure you really pay attention to these kind of things. Down here, you will have to actually take the orientation quiz, score at least a 12, and then take the online orientation module survey. Now, once you complete all of these requirements, okay, if you see view under it, you have to view everything. Once you complete all of this, you will go to important course information. And here it has a welcome, a video, the syllabus, and the course calendar. You need to print that course calendar out. It's very important that you know when things are due. Then you have course textbook information and all of this information, my office hours, how I prefer to communicate, and what notification settings you need. And then a little refresher of Accounting 1. And then you will take your MyLab access code and you will do the reflections discussion. And those are the things that are due this week. And then starting next week, if you scroll on down, you will be starting on Appendix B. Okay, but that is all that is due for week one.